tickle down the middle. Kiss them on the right ear, kiss them on the left. Kiss them in the middle and hug them tight. Now it's time to say our name, then we will complete our game. Yay! And who do we have right here?
This is Grant and I'm Sarah.
Can I get a high five? I'm God. And Sarah. All right, good morning. And who do we have right here?
This is Elia, and I'm Heidi.
All right,
Her
Elia.
grandma Pat joined us today too.
Hi, welcome.
Go give her a
Elia,
high
can I get a high
five.
five?
Go give her a high five.
High five. Go see you halfway. Ready? Halfway. Yay! And who do we have right over here?
He's Valerie, and I'm Ellie.
Valerie, right?
Yes.
Okay.